Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create a free account in Azure. So for that, open a browser and open azure.microsoft.com site. Here, you will see there is a green button on your right hand upper corner. Start free. You can use that button, or you can use this button in the black ribbon to start. On the next screen, you will be asked to add your email ID. If you do not have a Microsoft account, you can create one, or you can use your GitHub account to sign in. In the email, you can use any email ID or existing Gmail ID you can use here. Let's try with my existing Gmail ID. So it's going to create my account here. So now just let's create a password for my account, and 6-digit code will be sent to my Gmail account. Let's try it here. I'm sorry, it is a 4-digit security code that I need to copy and enter in the screen. On the next screen, you have to solve a small puzzle just to ensure that you are not a robot that is working. And next, in this screen, you will need to submit your details along with your phone number for verification, your address details, and select the checkboxes to agreement to the subscription agreement. Alternatively, also you can check this checkbox if you want additional email from Microsoft. Once you fill the details, click on next. It will move you to the next screen where you can enter your details, enter your card details, so that you can be authenticated and a legitimate user. And then finally you will be ready to sign up and create a Azure subscription account there. So that's all with this video. See you in the next lecture.